Hey there, what's up friends? I hope so that you all are safe from COVID and welcome to my channel Farhan Academy, and today's topic is cell division. Now friends, before knowing what is cell division, we have to learn about cell. Now cell, what do you mean by cell? Cell means a functional and structure unit of our whole body. That means it is a structural and functional unit of a body. Now friends, do you know that how our whole body has been created from a single cell? That will be strange to hear. Now friends, you all know that our body is created by thousands of cells, but how these thousands of cells are being created? That's a question, or that's a science, or that's a fact. Now in this video we will learn about that fact. So without wasting any longer time, let's go to our main topic. Now friends, here we have learned that what is cell. Now let us know about cell division now. Now in cell division, mainly a single cell remain. That means a single cell, and that single cell is called mother cell. That means that single cell is called mother cell. Now friends, this mother cell multiplied into daughter cell. That means this mother cell is multiplied. That is one daughter cell, two daughter cell, three daughter cell, four daughter cell, five daughter cell, six daughter cell, seven daughter cell, eight daughter cell. In this way, mother cell is multiplied into thousands of daughter cells. Now this mother cell is called unicellular organism. The organism that contain one cell or a single cell, that is called unicellular organism. So here this a single cell, that is the mother cell, is we are calling unicellular organism, and you can see that there are many daughter cells around it. Am I right? That means the mother cell is dividing into daughter cells, and these all daughter cells are called multicellular organism. That is why we call that our body has been created by multicellular organisms. Am I clear friends? Now you have, but the main fact is that how these daughter cells have been created from a single cell. That means our body has been created by only one cell. That is that one cell is multiplying the daughter cells. I hope so that you have learned cell division. Now friends, this is the process of cell division, and let us know the exact definition of cell division. Now friends, cell division. What is cell division? Now cell division is a process where the cell multiplies from a single cell. The process by which cell multiply into the process by which the cells multiply from a single cell, that is called cell division. Now friends, we have learned that the process or the definition of cell division and the process of it. Now friends, do you know that our cell division process is divided into three types? So let us know those types names. Now the first one is amitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division. The second one is mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division. The third one is meiosis cell division. Meiosis cell division. If you want to know the definition or know about some information about those cell division, go and write on the comment box. I will check it and make a video. To get those videos, you have to subscribe my channel, smash the bell icon to get all of my notifications. Stay well, stay safe friends. Goodbye.